Well, this is Android Studio, and welcome to this tutorial just for a short description on how to export your application once you have developed it. And now you need to package it ready for publishing in the Play Store, Google Play Store. Ideally, you are required to register and pay a one-off fee of $25, which is approximately 2,800 Kenyan shillings, for you to have a legitimate account with Google. And this account, of course, must be used in line with the policies of Google. Google is a platform that runs Android Studio. If you violate those rules, then your account will be suspended, and ideally you will be expelled from using Google Play Store. And there are things that you will need to do. So, first things first, how do you package your application? Believing that you have done all your developments, you have your Java files that are found inside here. Inside here you have Java. These are your Java files. You have the manifest file, which of course you use to define the names of activities and the permissions for a given application. Then you have the res. Inside the res you have the drawable. This is where all your images will be stored and all other icons will be stored here. Majority of the icons are stored as .xml, and images would take their extensions from their legacy or original systems. Then we have the layouts. All your layouts would appear here. So what we are going to do, we are going to package an application, not the code. We are not exporting this code. Rather, we are making an application that can be deployed into the Play Store. So what will be required to do, this is actually version 2024, so it might be a bit different from other versions. So you will come here, then at this point you click on build, and then you will come down here, build app bundles stroke APK. Now, app bundle can be summarized as .aab, which allows your users to use the application without necessarily downloading it from the Play Store. Developers are looking into the idea of having web apps, the applications, the mobile applications behaving like websites. You don't install websites, you simply visit them. You have a domain name, you search them on the Google, a search engine using a browser. So I am not intending to generate a bundle. I want to generate a APK, which I will be able to share of course with my phone, so that I can be able to install it. Now I'll click on that, and you can see the process is running here. It will take time depending on the speed of your machine. And as that is happening, is that once you have packaged your application, of course you would be shown by the system that they have already generated your application, so you can be able to navigate through and find it. Once you have it, you can copy. You'll be using a USB, and you have your phone. You can send it via Bluetooth. You can also send it via WhatsApp. Then now, for you to be able to do the installation, there are phones that have restrictions in a manner that no application will be installed to your phone which is not from accredited, is not a certified body like Play Store. Like we have one for iOS. It's called the Apple Store. So To allow that, you have to navigate through the settings and then to the settings, and then with that you will be able to do what? To install this application. So right now my computer has already processed the APK, and I can be able to locate it here. So I'll click there, then I'll find my APK right here. Once you locate your APK, you will copy it, or you will send it via WhatsApp, and then you will install it. And I believe if your application was running while you are testing it, then it will surely run if your phone meets the minimum requirements of this application. And so that is how to generate an APK for you and be able to install it on your computer. Through such process, you've been able to do the installation of an APK. You can be able now to see your application, review it, and even think of what improvements you need to do. If you enjoy this video, I am asking you to like, share, and of course subscribe. You may receive more of this kind of video. Good to see you. Bye for now.